YouTube and to all my subscribers, this is Raijin Do It Yourself Tutorials, and today I'm gonna be making a new video on Paint Tool Sci, about Paint Tool Sci and some of the requests that I have in YouTube comments about a brush preset for Paint Tool Sci. And I'm gonna be focusing in one brush preset that I like and I wanted to share to you guys. So I'm gonna be giving you an in-depth detail about this brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here, file, and then just new, and then 2000 pixels within height with a 300 resolution. Okay, press enter. Press OK, I mean. And then before I start, a little bit of disclaimer regarding about this tutorial. I'm not really a pro or a professional, and I did not go to any digital art school or any art school at all. I just did this tutorial just to share what I have learned so far and what I've gathered information so far in the internet. So yeah, so basically this tutorial is based upon of what I have learned from other tutorials and other websites such as DeviantArt, which you can get some really pretty nice information about digital art and other stuffs. So this brush preset that I'm gonna be sharing today is, I called it a Virus line art brush preset, which I also got from DeviantArt, which is a long time ago, and I forgot who's the creator of this, but I just want to share it to you guys because I like it. You can use this brush preset for inking, sketching, and coloring also. So that's why I'll be making this video specifically for this one. So you can call this brush preset any way you like it. So I'm just gonna call it Virus line art because it is named Virus line art preset in the DeviantArt before. So I don't know what it is now, but I'm just gonna share it to you guys. So the brush preset is just here, it's normal, and then the size is around, it depends on you on how much. I think this was 5 when I first used this, and then the minimum size would be 56%, the density would be 90, and then here in this option here you just have to choose rough, flat, then 100, then in the second one is no texture. Okay, so the next one is blending. Blending here is 57%. Dilution is 0. Persistence is 80. Then keep opacity, unclick it if it is clicked, so untick it. And then in the advanced settings, okay, the quality would be 3. The edge hardness would be 0. The minimum density is 0. The max density preset would be 100%. The hard soft would be 100. Then you have to take pressure. The density, click on that. The size, click on that, and the blend should be ticked. Okay. So yeah, basically that's how the Virus line art preset would be. So you can just pause the video to copy the settings here, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna try the brush preset now with my graphic tablet. Okay, so we will gonna test it how it looks like. Okay, so the brush would be, I'm just gonna change the size of this so that you guys can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with that, and then yeah, that's how the brush looks like when you press hard. When if not, something like that, and softly. Okay, so I hope yeah, it's like a hairy brush, something like that. I don't know what's the right term for it, but it's like that. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's how the brush will be. It's really nice. You can really thicken it. Okay, if your pressure works well, then this brush is really amazing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna create a new layer here and just hide this one. Okay, so I'm gonna create a line art out of this brush. Okay, so you watch me create an anime character now. So I'm just gonna speed things up because I'm just gonna be making a sketch, a rough sketch of it. So yeah, so wait and see. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, this is the rough sketch where I have created with this brush preset, the Buyer's Line Art brush preset. So yeah, so it's really nice, and we can sort things out now by inking this. So I'm just gonna create a new layer here, and I'm just gonna change the opacity of this sketch layer here. So I'm just gonna, so that you will not be confused, I'm just gonna change it with sketch, and then I'm gonna create name this as line art. Okay, then press OK on it. Okay, the next step that I'm gonna be doing is I'll be inking this. So yeah, I'm just gonna change it to a hard color with some kind of yeah, that there, but not really black, so that we can edit it if we wanted to. And then yeah, the inking tool that I will be gonna be using is still the same, the Buyer's Line Art. So but in this inking process, I will be pressing hard as often as it is before when I did the sketch. So here I go. I'm just gonna speed things up again, and stay tuned until I finish it. Okay, here we go. Hi guys, alright, so I'm back, and now as you can see it's almost done. The line art is done, and I have just I haven't done completed the other parts were like the ribbon in her hair. I'm just gonna complete that later on. Okay, so as you can see now it looks nice. The brush looks pretty nice, and now we will head into coloring this character now. Okay, so again, the brush that I'm gonna be still using would be still the same, and that would be Virus line art. So again, I'm just gonna add a new layer here, and I'm just gonna start coloring Rem here with the same preset of brush that I have shared to you guys. So here we go. I'm just gonna speed things up again and see for yourselves how beautiful this brush is. Okay, so here we go. Hello guys, I am back. As you can see, this is how the virus line art preset that I have shown you is when you use it perfectly. It's the one of the best preset that I have in Paint Tool size, this brush, and it can create really nice artwork with it. So if you use this virus line art preset, you can name it whatever you want it. You can use it into your anime creations. This is the best, and this is one of the best preset that you can use as of now, and I want you to use it, guys, so that it can add more style in your art, because this brush is really a nice thing to use too. So yeah, and again, I'm gonna share to you again the preset. Okay, so the brush preset setting, you can name it whatever you want it. I just kept the virus line art preset as the way is, and I have learned it from DeviantArt, but I don't know where it is now because I can't see it, but it is it is here because I just wanted to credit the creator of this one, and I just want to make it virus line art as the same as before. So the setting is again normal here, and then the size would be it depends upon you and whatever size that you want. That's basically how the brush preset, how the brush size will be. The minimum size would be 56% and the density is 90. And here the settings that you will gonna choose is rough, flat, and then 100. And then here next, no texture, and then in the blending it is 57. And the dilution would be 0. The persistence would be 80. The keep opacity should not be checked. In the advanced settings, the quality should be 3. The edge hardness 0. The minimum density would be 0. The max density pressure would be 100%. The hard soft would be 100. The pressure would be in the density, click on it. The size, click on it, and then blend, click on it. So yeah, basically this brush tool is really amazing because it can blend. It can also be used as inking tool. Also it can use you can use this brush and anything that you wanted to. Okay, so I hope that this video tutorial about this great brush preset that I have will help you, or will you use it into your paint tool side. So yeah, so for those who are asking for a brush preset that I have, a custom brush preset that I have, this is the brush preset that I really like. So this is the first one that I will share. I have other brush presets here which I got from other sources on the website, and I will gonna share it to you guys once and I am not busy. So yeah, so look forward to it, that I will make more video tutorials on other brush presets. As you can see, Rem really looks nice with this brush preset. So yeah, that's the virus line art preset, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please do leave a comment section below. If you have some problems or issues or any suggestions at all, please do leave in the comment section below. And if you like it, please do like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. And please do subscribe into my channel. This will help me big. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. This is Rajan Do It Yourself tutorial, and see you. Goodbye.